Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of Parvs Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me this weekend. I hope you're all safe, well and looking after yourself. Today I'm going to share a super simple recipe of something that I would consider to be a superfood. I am going to share a recipe for green lentils, green lentil dal, and it's absolutely wonderful. I'm quite lazy, so I like to soak the lentils overnight, and that way 10 minutes your curry is done. But you don't have to do that. And the great thing about these is because the husk hasn't been removed, it's just that much more full of fibre for you, really good for your tummy, and absolutely delicious. So this is how I make my green lentil dal. Enjoy the recipe. So last night I soaked just under a cup of green lentils. You don't have to soak them, however I like to cook it really quickly, and that's them all lovely and plumped up. And in my pan for my tadka I have chopped up 3 green chilies, 3 grated cloves of garlic, about a ½ inch piece of root ginger, a teaspoon each of turmeric, curry powder, Maldon salt and ½ teaspoon of red chilli. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil and a little water to the tadka and pop it on a low heat. And by the time that's ready, the lentils will have boiled as well. They're going into a pan of water. I'll let you see as I go. Now that's my lentils in the pan with probably about a centimetre of water above them, and they're good to go. They're going to start gently cooking away. And my spices and ginger, garlic and chilies, they've got some oil in them and some water. Once it's cooked, I'm going to add in a dollop of butter, maybe about 20 grams or so, and that enriches it. I'll let you see once it's done. My lentils didn't take very long at all to cook. They've probably been on for 10 minutes and they are lovely and soft. I did top them up with water once, that's absolutely fine. Sorry about the steam. Now, my tadka is done. You can tell that the oil and butter has come away from the sides, and the chilies, garlic, everything has cooked beautifully. What I'm going to do is transfer all of the tadka into my lentils and mix it through. I'll let you see once it's done. There we go, beautiful tadka in the lentils. I'm going to mix all of that through and cook it on a gentle heat to amalgamate all of the flavours, probably for about another 5 minutes. I'll let you see once it's done. That's beautiful lentils cooked. All I've done is added in a handful of lovely fresh coriander. I'll mix that through, and that's the curry done. So guys, I told you it was simple. It absolutely is. By the time the lentils are cooked, your masala is ready. Bob's your uncle. Absolutely wonderful. I like serving mine with boiled rice or chapati. Surprise, surprise. Have it however you wish. It's absolutely delicious, packed full of nutrition and really good for you. I hope you enjoyed the video this weekend. Do keep your comments coming in. Thank you so much for all of your questions, and please let your friends and family know about the channel. Take care, look after yourself, eat well, and I look forward to seeing you back again here in Parvs Kitchen next weekend. Bye bye.